Southern Coin Hunter here. Sorry y'all been out sick most of the week, so I'm doing this. Here got the last minute. Picking up a box of pennies on today, this afternoon from the bank. The last box of pennies, I have 4 with die cracks on them, so we're gonna get started with the pennies. And we'll put some nickels. You see where they kind of braided some of the dies, get rid of some stuff, but can't get rid of all the die cracks. And we're going from the bottom of this rim here all the way up to here. I'm going to get some stuff off the way. And on this one, I don't think there's anything on this side. No. Here's penny number 2. This is usually just a die crack from base to the rim. Maybe along here just a little bit. That was out on it, I think. I'll make sure. That's just a gash. And here we have another one, same thing. From here to the base. There's a cool one. This is an 83. Now going this way, instead it's cracking and going straight up to the D. From the rim along the base to somewhere up in here. From here goes up to here or here. May split and do both. It's hard to tell. And then we got one going from this corners between the R and the I across the end of the I onto the rim. This can be it for that. Going with the nickels. Sorry for the noise of the washing machine going. I ain't got the door shut and still making noise. Little bitty tiny beehive. This is a 2-stage beehive here. Secondary one right there. I don't think I had anything else on this one. With the big die chip right here between the E and the R. Now here's an interesting one. 44 beehive, but you got a secondary forming right there. Let's see if we get a bit of a better angle on it. Let's see. It's hard to see it. It's there. Let's see what we got. There it is. I see it now. Right there. Now here we have an interior beehive starting off. Right there. And we got the good old beehive by FS. (2013) Philly. (2020) Philly. Just a clump of mass of a beehive shooting off this away. Full mat. This is a full beehive. Die chip between the E and the R. And you can see a little spot where it's going to come out right here eventually. Should have missed nothing on here. This is all messed up. Scratches everywhere. Oh. Philadelphia 21. Heavily used. Did I not need to take this one out? I see nothing on here. Why did I keep this one? Something at the top? I guess this one's a bust. Oh. Little tiny beehive right there. (21) Philly. Yeah, I see where it's at. Little piece of thin metal right there. So let me see. Grab a few more nickels. Now, I get a lot of these from roll hunts. The FS beehive die chip. We got the beginning, early stage of a massive beehive. It's getting kind of shiny right up in there. We're not good at picking out DDOs on nickels and DDRs. I died chipping that E. See? With the die chip and E in cents, I think though, and the die chip and the O. The little tiny die chip between the E and the R. Knocking the penny roll down. 2017 die chip. This is crazy because you got one here and one there. I think that was it. This back is so messed up. Little die chip in the S and cents. Die chip between the E and the R. I'm calling it the I. People can shoot me. I don't care. But it is what it is. That's what I'm calling it. And I guess I could do 2 of these. Indian cent, no date. Remember, this is for adults, kids. If you do this, your parents must be present at all times. And it's going to start revealing here shortly, looks like. We want to do 2 of these. Internet does not want to connect. I think I'm starting to see a date come up. We're interested in the last 2 numbers. The first 2 will be 1 and a 9. We'll go 1916 was what we're going to have. $19.16. 1916. And then have a mint mark on the back. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be an S. Or more than I'm calling it. Well, guys, this may be in 1919 or 1918. It's got a partial date. There we go. Give it a minute or two. I'm trying to get my internet to connect. Wi-Fi. Let's see what we got here. We have a 1919, people. Yep, 1919. And it's a Philly. So that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank y'all for coming. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I'll be having another Whatnut sale coming up on the 14th, I think, of December. So hope to see y'all there, and I will hopefully I'll see y'all there. Y'all have a good evening.